Tired of being locked into a phone plan that doesn't fit you, but you love your current phone? Let's dive into whether you can bring your beloved device to US Mobile and ride the AT&T network wave. First, compatibility is key. Not all phones play nice. AT&T, even through US Mobile, uses GSM technology, so your phone needs to be compatible. Most unlocked phones are. But it's worth double-checking your phone specs online. A quick Google search of your phone model and GSM compatibility will do the trick. Next up, unlocking. If your phone is currently locked to another carrier, you'll need to unlock it. Contact your current carrier and request an unlock. They might have certain requirements, like having fulfilled your contract or paid off the phone. Make sure you get confirmation that the unlock is complete. Once unlocked, it's SIM card time. US Mobile will send you a SIM card compatible with the AT&T network. Power off your phone, pop out your old SIM, and insert the US Mobile one. Power your phone back on. Now, activation. Head over to the US Mobile website or use their app to activate your service. You'll likely need your phone's IMEI number, which you can usually find in your phone's settings under About Phone or by dialing number 6#. Follow the on-screen instructions, and within minutes, you should be connected to the US Mobile network, enjoying the AT&T coverage with your own phone. If you run into any snags, US Mobile's customer support is ready to help. They're known for their quick and helpful assistance. So, bringing your own phone to US Mobile on the AT&T network is totally doable. Just remember to check compatibility, unlock your device, and follow the activation steps. Happy saving and happy connecting.